Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my set of 8 placemats by Jovono. So these are a beautiful faux leather placemat. I really am in love with these placemats because they are double-sided. So on one side you have this nice leather material. It has that pebble look. And on the other side, it is smooth. I have these in the beige color, and this color really is a great neutral. It also has this nice double stitching on the edges. So I've had these been using them regularly every day for about a month now, and they have not shown any signs of wear or tear at all. A variety of different foods have been spilled on these placemats, and there are absolutely no stains. So they clean up really well on either side. I like this pebble side. I like how sleek and elegant it looks with this pebble leather. And the other side is also great, especially if you've got kids or messy eaters, then this side is even easier to clean up. They also have a really nice weight to them, so they're not lightweight like flimsy placemats. These actually feel like the weight of almost real leather. For my table, I only need 6, but I went ahead and I got this set of 8, and I'm so happy I did because now I have placemats for the center of my table. So I always have 2 extras, also in case anything ever happens to a placemat. I highly recommend getting more than you need because you're always going to use them for something. I think that these are the best placemats I've ever owned. I am sure that they're going to last me a long time because they're really high quality and durable. So I highly recommend them, but that's just my point of view.